How to log in Presto account. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to log in into your Presto account, launch a browser and search for Presto Card Login. You can select on the first option, that is sign in. Now as you can see, there are various of medium to log in into your Presto card. Starting off is to log in through your Presto account, in which you can simply enter your email address and your password. Then you can select on the option of sign in. Tap on remember me only if it is a personal device. If you don't have an account, select on Presto card. In here, you can just enter your Presto card number and your Presto card verification number. If you are confused on it, you can just check on your physical Presto card. At the bottom, it will display the card number and verification number will be right next to the date. Just tap on sign in after it. If you want to log in contactless, select on it. Then just select on credit card or debit card. You will have to enter the card number. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.